Hello guys, good morning and good evening. It's me again, Ryan, back with another trading recap. Not really good, but not red, but choppy day trading recap. So today was tough. I didn't have a red day, but because I controlled my self and I managed my risk properly and I had targets in mind. It's just it didn't reach my targets. And yeah, let's look at our Cappers watch list quick. So today we had SRPT, Snap, Apple, and HRTX, and all of them are, I say, garbage. Like Snap, nope. I never had a good experience with Snap. I had a bad day with Snap before, but so I said I'm not going to trade this, and it's less than $20. HRTX less than $20. So and then I checked the pre-market move. It's not really good, so not in my list. SRPT had a good pre-market move, but it has 4 ATR, which is a lot. Apple has 4 ATR, which is a lot. So I say, so which one will I trade? Probably just Apple, because this is a well-known stock and it moves nicely as well, and it had a really nice pre-market move. And let's see, and I had my lines drawn. So I said, since Apple has a range of 4, then I'm gonna probably risk, I don't know, like a huge range when I trade. So yeah, let's look at my trade right now. So if we look at pre-market, so it's it's gapping up, and this was the pre-market high, and this price was holding as well. So I told myself, and then this is a daily volume, and I said, when it was going up, normally when it's a gapped up, it will go down, it will sell off, and then it will stay, and then go back. At first candle, at 1 minute, it will sell off. It will, in my mind, I said, if it's gonna sell off in the first minute, I'm gonna probably buy it somewhere here at this average, and then reach this target. So that's what I did. As you can see, I entered long here, right exactly at this moving average. I said I'm gonna have a tight stop around this area. It actually moved somewhere here. I didn't take profit because I wanted it to break this. I wanted it to make an engulfing candle, which I think that's what I was expecting, and I was above VWAP, so I was kind of confident that it's gonna go up here and break the pre-market move and go up. But yeah, it didn't happen. So this one is very small loss, like very, very small loss, like nothing. And then I said, since it's somewhere here in my line, I'm gonna, re-enter short. So that's what I did. I flipped my position quickly when I saw the price, the level 2 was decreasing, like cent by cent. I re-entered. Yeah, and then pull back a bit. I said, if pullbacks view up, I'm gonna get out and stop trading, because I told myself, if I have two losing trades, even if small, I'm gonna stop trading and just watch the market. It means whatever I'm doing is not working for me. So I re-entered here. Since it's in my pre-market line, it's not really pre-market low, but it was ranging somewhere here, and then I took a lot, like half, because this was good profit already. I was just risking VWAP, and I was hoping to get out more here. I said, this is weak, so I'm gonna get out more if it continues. But since there's a 200 moving average here, everyone was buying it, and then there I stopped out here. Last shares at break even, and then I re-entered at VWAP when I said, okay, I was watching level 2 time in sales, and it was a round number, VWAP round number. I said, okay, I'm gonna take some here, risk somewhere here or at the line, and then probably it's gonna go up here, which I took some off, small profit again, get out of break even, and I said, should I trade again since I had a good profit here? But nope, and dump. I said maybe it's gonna continue here. So many trades. It's just, I said okay, I'm gonna stop since it's already at the time that where I stopped trading around 10 o'clock. And yeah, I got stopped out at break even. I don't want to give back, so I really want to get out. I had a chance to get out here, but I really want to take this number. I really want to be patient in my trades. Yeah, and stopped out. See, look what happened. It's good I stopped out. If not, then yeah. But let's watch my trade quickly, and let's see. Yep. So as you can see, I wanted to get in here around this number 225. That's why I had an order, because normally it will, if a stock, because the stock was not really up that much. Normally if the stock is up 10%, you get a sell off and then it goes back, because everyone's taking profit at that gap. Since it's only 2%, actually I should have considered the 2%. Normally I prefer trading stocks that are above 3%. Yeah, let's watch. So I fast forward this because it was a long video. Yep, I got stopped. That was an order that you see there before. I got stopped, re-entered short. So I was seeing like 2 digits, which for a stock, I think 2 digits is enough for a stock like this, because it's really expensive. I don't really trade $200 stocks. I think my max is $100, but I just want to show you some action. So yeah, that's what I did here. So that was a 50-cent move. Pretty good move. I should have taken off here, but let's see what I did. I was holding it more because I really wanted a really big move. I was risking probably somewhere here above VWAP. VWAP is 225. So normally when it goes above VWAP, I will watch the price action, and if it confirms, I'm gonna get out. So since this one is just hovering here, I took some off. Yeah, and made a new 1 minute high. I said I'll take more off because I know it's gonna squeeze, because this one is like a huge move. And then this is probably at break even. I like getting out at break even because you can always re-enter. That's for me. Sometimes if it goes above your break even or past your break even, if it goes past your break even, sometimes you end up giving back all your profit, and you can always re-enter. So yeah, so since this is fast forward to 5 times, it's too fast. So I was actually closely watching it around this round number, and this was VWAP. VWAP is 22494, so around 225. So my price right now is 22503. I was risking again somewhere here. So, and my target was this one. I really wanted to get this number. So this is probably break even because I don't want to give back my profit. Break even order. So yeah, so 30-cent move right now, 35-cent move, and I was seeing a lot of orders here. So that's good. Here you don't see anything, so it's a good it's a good sign. There you go, it broke. So it wasn't strong enough. I was looking at level 2, like 225. So this is a 50-cent move, right? Normally if someone is short, if this breaks, then everyone's will get out and probably break this. So I had I think, yeah, I took some off here, just to get some profit. I think I took half, I think. I remember. Oh, I took, yeah. Yep, I should have taken more, but I was hoping to have to take profit around this, like a high of day, and then get out 100% here. So That's what I was thinking. Like this too. But yeah, it didn't work. I said, oops, it's going back. And I kind of didn't like this week. I don't like having weeks like this because it means everyone sold this area, and this is like a this one is a moving average of 45. 45 is a 5 minute 9 MA 9 EMA. In 5 minutes, this is 9, and 45 is a good moving average that I always use. So everyone sold here, everyone shorted or sold their stocks, their position, and probably reshorted here to VWAP. And another one, this line here, I got out here. It was a really choppy day. Another reason why, I think, because it's confused where it's going. It doesn't have a lot of it didn't gap up a lot. Yeah, so what a day. So I was closely looking at this. I was actually thinking of taking a long position because it's somewhere here, but I said this looks like a triangle. Normally triangle, if it holds, then it's gonna go up. So I was looking at this price. Since I have my line here, I was considering taking long if if it keeps moving up. But the thing is, it's a forming triangle here, and then I said, okay, I'm gonna have a full position here, but have a stop, like really tight stop. I will be really strict with it and have a tight stop. So yeah, but my trade worked. I should have look at that. I should have hit the bid there, because this was a good profit already. I was just greedy. I just want to take this line. And this was my original target, and I should have this was a limit order. Imagine my limit order was 91, and yeah, I was just late few cents, and then it had this week. I was so frustrated. I should have taken here instead. I was closely watching. I said I really want to get this, and I said I might just get out at break even. It's okay, and then stop trading because it's already 9:53. I stopped trading around 10 market hours, New York time. So yeah, it was a small profit, not a lot, not a green day, but that's better. Not a red day. So I had a small profit around this area, small profit here, really small loss. This one's break even. I didn't even feel anything. See, imagine if I didn't get out. I think this stock moved somewhere here around this here. So imagine if you don't get out at break even, you're just gonna give back. So I have a shortcut of a break even at average cost. So that helped me a lot not to give back. So if you want a script in DAS, I have a script hotkey to get out at break even price, wherever it is, whatever the price, it will give you I can't remember. I think it's a market order. I rather have a market order stop. Sometimes there are times that you can get squeezed really, really heavy, but yeah, that only happened to me. Like, for large cap stocks, it doesn't really squeeze that much. Yeah, imagine could I stopped. So yeah, sorry I didn't have a really good trading day today, but I'm happy I ended up green. And yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. How many more minutes I have here? We can watch it until the end. This is my live DAS. Oh yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed it, because sometimes, you really had to accept days like this. Trading is not, you don't win every day, and then you don't win a lot every day as well. So there are days that you can only get a little bit of the market, and you just have to accept it. Look at this. Oh my god, boom, boom, boom. Really, really nice lines. Yeah, so it's like everyone's buying it around 22 to 44, and it's obvious because of this. Look at that. So before before it was a resistance, and now resistance became support. It's always like that. So everyone's buying here. You see this week, everyone bought it here, so I'm sure it's gonna go back here now. It looks like everyone's trying to buy it here at this price. There's a week, a really huge week, and it only went down once. So yeah, let's see what happens. I think it looks like it's gonna go up here. So have a good day, everyone. Sorry for the really long ass video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I need 100 subscribers for me to be able to have my own channel name. Yeah, if you have friends who are who are traders, who are interested in trading, day trading, the first 5 to 30 minutes of the open, let them know about this video, and then let them watch. Peace.